Is your big V8 engine suddenly stuttering, misfiring, and burning way too much gas on the highway? Your cylinder deactivation system might be failing. We are looking at trouble code P3466, which stands for Cylinder 9 Deactivation or Intake Valve Control Circuit Performance. This code frequently pops up on OBD2 vehicles, especially large trucks and SUVs from General Motors, Dodge, and Ram. To help you get better gas mileage during light driving, your engine computer temporarily shuts down certain cylinders. It does this using special solenoids that stop the intake valves from opening. Code P3466 means the computer has detected an electrical performance issue, like incorrect voltage, in the control circuit specifically for cylinder number 9. When this happens, the computer often completely disables the fuel injector for that cylinder to protect the engine. The symptoms are immediate and obvious. You will feel a harsh engine misfire, experience poor acceleration, notice a sharp drop in fuel economy, and your check engine light will definitely turn on. The root cause for this code is very often related to your engine oil. These solenoids rely on proper oil pressure to work, so a low oil level or a clogged oil passage can easily trigger the fault. Other causes include a bad deactivation solenoid, broken wires, or corroded connectors. To solve this, always start by checking your engine oil dipstick. If the oil is low or heavily sludged, a simple oil and filter change might fix everything. Next, locate the solenoid and visually inspect the wiring. Look for wires rubbing against the engine block or connectors packed with corrosion. Advanced testing requires a digital multimeter to check the computer voltage and test the wires for 0 ohms of resistance. An engine misfire is a severe issue that can cause permanent internal damage if ignored. A very common mistake people make is rushing to replace the solenoid when the real problem was simply low oil pressure or a chewed wire. If your oil is perfectly full, the wiring looks great, and the engine is still violently shaking, do not start guessing. Take your truck to a qualified mechanic who can run advanced continuity tests on the computer. Regular oil changes are the best way to prevent this specific issue from happening. Drive safe and see you next time.